The big brand sale is now on at OK Furniture, and you stand a chance to win big when you save big. Buy any participating brand before the 26th of May 2024, and you could drive away with a brand new Toyota Vitz. There are 15 cars to be won, so don't miss out. View our latest catalog and shop these deals in store or online until the 21st of April 2024. T's and C's apply. It is to be powered by World Sports Betting at iskitimes.co.za. So, 3 wins back to back. Orlando Pirates winning again for the second week running. Orlando Pirates get a controversial decision that obviously was not a red card, and that obviously is the reason why Orlando Pirates won, because Amazulu, for a change, they actually were here to play. They actually played better than Pirates at times, even when they had 10 men. However, it's Orlando Pirates winning and Tsegofatsa Mabasa scoring as well. So well done to Orlando Pirates. Well done to Tsegofatsa Mabasa as well. He is really rebuilding his football career at Orlando Pirates. And I think he's part of the top goal scorers as well. Maybe 11 goals so far this season. Junior Khanye, our analyst, what do you make of the game? So let me start as well from the moment you red card. Do you agree with it? How much did it change the game as well? Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Justice.
Just.
Ngibulise Benedict Sophie lakazi. Ngibona nama visitor namhlanje.
Nama visitor kamoja. SABC 1.
Yeah, I know. Ingwe ezilandela.
UCTV, amazi UCTV noTshwane TV.
Yeah.
Amadoda kaSoweto TV. A community broadcasters.
Yeah, ngibulisele ngwenyethu Tso. Bafethu kunjani, keep on supporting iDiskiTV, fighting no one, try to fix South African football. Yeah, enkuleko mfethu. I need to be honest.
Red card?
I don't understand this refereeing ukuthi mabati consistent today listen to us Cala. When we talk about, we're not complaining about mhlambe set like referee 1 or 2, we're talking about all the refereeing. The standard of refereeing in South African football still improve, because this is a break it. They decided this game because the red card change it play a coach the Amazulu. Maunga check a tactical Amazulu were broken after the red card.
Absolutely. And so, they even tried though.
They tried, yes, they never sit back. Compliment now will a couple speaking about so. But it goes now I don't think it's strong enough now psychological coach. He's supposed to approach him this way. Play this Brooks game. You've got attackers who fagama defend the middle last week. Most sacrifices, this is a payback. So today much better pay with one today. And then a red card. I think you were sacrificed by the river. Yeah,
explain what you saw in the red card. Why do you not say it's not a red card?
I mean, that was a good pass. And then there was a player running to the ball from Orlando Pirates. Maswanganye. And then Mopara start with the ball. And then Tindang Masongai. And then the guy Utito falls. Magafola Utito. What happened is, I think the referee Lomfana Utenge, he bought the referee. And then the referee Upege Ekshinake, he went straight. I think the lineman Futaksuri.
Yeah, because the referee didn't give him a yellow card, he didn't give him a red card. Initially, he was just going to give a foul.
But now I'm playing because he's a decision maker. Referee like decision yake. So I believe me now referee is supposed to say no, leave him. I think him in chachi foul. I know ukuthi yena kuyimanga buchachi foul. It's denying the scoring opportunity. I believe. So he accelerated cut. I think Amazulu were robbed there, and our referee need to improve the standard of football. I'm not talking about specific this, but Low decided came.
Also, let me just on that point. Boss wabo, the head of the referee kwaSafa, the guy obanika appointment. Bekakhuluma kuRadio bemxoxisa ngale penalty the whole week. And the one thing that I came away with into bekayikhuluma ukuthi akuna crisis yabo referee, abantu abayekele overreactor, bangabona ama decisions I1 or I2, but ukuthi kune crisis yabo referee. That's what their boss wabo referee bekasho ukuthi there's no crisis with the referees.
Abanga spices we're not going to pay their faces. If we foul. And if the decision is second, we're not going to buy it by shorting. I mean, our eyes is to see and on the talk about. I mean, the referees, they are so poor. See, show the game specific.
Yeah, we
watch game here. We work week in and week out in Gule. With these referees, they are poor. So, Chita, we're not going to listen. Yes, he's making a statement for media, for people, but we are as with more referee, they are so poor. Because referee decision, if he can go back now, he's going to feel ashamed. And that's the referee. if you look at and you go backwards, he was suspended. As we said,
yes.
He was suspended. This is a referee.
Cedric Movari for 6 months, I think.
Yes.
Once upon a time, he was suspended.
So repetition yakhe ikutshele into ngayo. So uma niyakhuluma nje umjita, but the referee today wins the plan. So going to the game, I think first Pirates, I know there are games that they are getting away with it, especially without playing with the right forward. I think Yaba sacrifices so many players.
Yeah.
You don't know where Dlamini plays specific position. You are inconsistent. Secondly, this Masongai boy, one of the best player, Pirates win a game, it doesn't have speed, but decision making. I mean, I need to be honest. They don't give a specific position between him and Dlamini, but him, Maga space. Always he find himself, when he got the ball, something can happen. Because he hardly pass sideways or backwards. Maybe two people around him, but he hardly lose the ball, and always mostly he find his passes, different splitting passes between defense and between defense and the keeper. So he did very well as side in the Pirates. Nishuguti impact in the first half, and also the left wing Pirates player. Nkhuluma ngomfukeng, him and Mfukeng, I think there's a combination, and uyakwazi kuyifunda ngikhuluma ngaye uMaswangaye noMfukeng uyakwazi kubona ukuthi okay, the player that if I can pass the ball, I believe he can find me. I need to be nearer to him. Yeah, but there was a combination between two of them, but supposed to be complemented to Dlamini.
Explain why Orlando Pirates failed to break down Amazulu for such a long time. Because Amazulu scattered since the 20th minute. They were 10 men down. Why did Orlando Pirates struggle to score until late in the game?
I think the defense did very well. Amazulu, I think they were also organized. They did very well. Kakan as well. Organization, but Pirates themselves as well, playing sideways. I need to be honest. Ipolala immediately team will start to society, and they pass it back to team. Team will start to Makhetlen wide to Mfukeng, cut it in. You want sometimes a shoot far. So there was no different splitting passes. Begana's movement enough. So there was no link umuntu nearer to him. Second half, Orlando Pirates, I think bringing Usaling. Good run from him, good pass from Tito. Good run from him. Usaling wins in the right lap. Some nigga.
CR7. Man of the match, player of the season.
Yeah, last season. Mina Mariaza. Mina ngimnandi.
CR7.
Abantu ngihlangana nezinye egarage lapha sithi junior. You hate the guy. Ngithi abafethi ipola is anybody's opinion. Yabo. The guy if he's doing well ngizosho. Yeah, understand. So namanje good run. Good cutback and good finish from Mabasa. Positioning of Mabasa.
What do you think about Mabasa? Actually, last question from me to you. What do you think about him? I mean, Uyego Swallows at some point this season, which is the reason why Agui top goal scorers list, because I think he scored 7 or 8 there. Magafiego Pirates Manju, it's been 4 or 5 goals scored. What do you think about him? His form, improve.
Yeah, good for, I think a player who, this is how you respond as a professional player if you get the chance. If coach doesn't believe in you, somebody get the injury. A player, ebamthanda kakhulu ku Pirates, Evident Makgopa. I think this guy, I'm not too sure he's injured or what. Yes, he's injured.
He was on loan, Mabasa, and then Mabebuya Afcon. Orlando Pirates, and then Evidence Makgopa was injured. What only opportunity Mabasa?
This is how you prep as a professional player, and this is how you finish. This guy is different between Kshan or his scores. He score goals. He reminds me of Colin Besuma. I remember Mangdala na Tipala movie. He score ngulego and positioning perfect. Because the cut back. Omunye bego run forward. Omunye be late kulela pola. But the timing of that run and the good finish as well. Omunye be angal champisipali. And then uguti good technique. I and good square pass. I need to be honest from Saling. From there, I think Paris look better in terms of ball circulation of ball, game management. They look much better with pass the ball around. Right. But bringing on Rondo, I think you need to learn, man. If you are given a chance from the bench, compete on team and Makhetlen that is doing so well after joining Orlando Pirates, you can't make decision. You shoot it from a center, boy. I mean, combine lapha kuma-Roma Gallants, dlala 1-2, that's your strength. Manje mawushuta from far, isitshelane ngoba i-Pirates got the ball, they pass, bamuva ibhola kahle, game management, he got the ball, he shoot the ball, ibhola sebaluzile. Starta ku-goal kick, let ball alibuya li-dangerous. So, well done to Orlando Pirates, especially second half, yes, I think they were much better compared to first half. First half, that was not Pirates playing, he winner 7 and he winner 4-1.
All right, there you go. Thank you very much to Junior. Again, second week running with questionable decisions from the referee. I suppose the whole weekend on radio, everywhere in the country, that will be the point of discussion. Orlando Pirates, again, from a referee's decision. And of course, being able to win a game. If you remember last week, it was 1-0 to Amazulu up until a penalty was given to Orlando Pirates where there was minimal, if any, contact. So once again, here it happened with Abubakar Mubara, a former Orlando Pirates defender as well. There you go. Orlando Pirates are number 2 now on the log table. I always say that the most exciting part of the DSTV Premiership is the battle for number 2. Last week it was a different number 2. Today or tonight it's Orlando Pirates at number 2. Next week it will definitely be a different number 2, and so on and on and on it goes. What we know is that Mamelodi Sundowns have already wrapped up the league. It is iDiskiTV, iDiskiTimes, also sporting. Thank you for watching us.